Hello all, I'm painting in the studio, so this is very foreign to me, new space. So I'm really excited to be finally painting in the studio and finally getting back to what I consider normal. And yeah, so I am working with a wonderful artist by the name of Elaine Frye, and her YouTube channel is linked below. We are doing a fall inspired collaboration, and I have to say this has been months in the works in a sense. We wanted to do a collaboration earlier in the year, and it just didn't pan out for myself. But here we are today, and we are going to be working here with 3 10 by 10 inch canvases, and I've got my Overhead Pro, so you guys can get an overall overhead view of the piece being created. What else? I don't know. So I'm really excited to do some fall colors here, and I decided that I was going to use a black base. So I have my black base here, and this is Artist Law Flow Black acrylic paint and mixed with Floetrol. And let me show you the consistency. This is going to be my base coat, and hopefully you can see it just comes right off the stick and goes right into the paint again. It's somewhat thick, maybe I would say a little bit thicker than whipping cream before you whip it. So, so that's gonna be our base. I also have Arteza's Pearl Copper Gold, and you can see the consistency is very similar to the black. I also have, as a color, it's a pigment color by TLP, this little piggy, and it is color SYRAH. I love this color. And I've mixed that with Jo Sonja's varnish to wet the pigment. And then after that, I added it to Liquitex Gloss Medium. So it's a beautiful color. Well, hopefully you guys can check out the iridescence on that. The next color I have is Golden's Quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold. And that is mixed with Floetrol. And I also put a squirt of Liquitex Gloss Medium in it. Very fall color-like. And then my final color I'm gonna be using is also another TLP, this little piggy in ORE. And it is a beautiful gold shimmery pigment. I mixed that with Jo Sonja's varnish, and then also added the Gloss Medium by Liquitex. So that is what we are working with here. I did not put Floetrol in either of the pigment colors. So we will have these colors as our fall inspired colors, and we will be using a 2-ounce shot solo style cup. I have put a hole in the bottom and I have taped it over, and I'm going to put my paints in here, put down my base coat, and then I'm going to drag it across and do some straw work. My flexible straw, which is right here, well loved for sure. So we'll see how this turns out, and we're gonna go from there. So as we know, in acrylic pouring, you set out with one plan, and that one plan might be thwarted because the paint likes to do what the paint likes to do, whether you like it or not. So we could change things up, but for right now, that's the plan, and I'm really looking forward to this. Please be sure to check out Elaine Frye's channel. Again, her link for her YouTube channel is in the video description box. And also I want to give you a heads up that on December 1st, it is World AIDS Day. And I am doing a collaboration with 6 other talented artists and to bring awareness to AIDS. So that is December 1st, and I believe it starts around 5:15, 5:30 Eastern Standard Time. At the end of this video will be a quick little promo for that. All right, so let's get going. I think first what I'm gonna do is probably layer my cup. So we're gonna add this here. I'm gonna come in with the Nickle Azo Gold. Come in with some copper. And then the SYRAH. And I'm thinking maybe drizzling a little bit of the black in there. Come in with the Nickle Azo Gold. I haven't done one of these in a really long time, so this should be interesting to say the least. So here's my cute little layered cup. We're gonna put that over here to the side, move these out of the way. We're gonna come in and put down the base coat. I don't want to waste any, so I'll just tilt all this off on the other canvases. So we are going to probably fast forward this part, and we'll see you guys in a moment. Okay, so we have our canvas coated. We're just gonna pop some air bubbles in here that I noticed. And I'm gonna do that. We're gonna come in. Drag that across. Gotta go fast over those cracks. Now here, we're gonna put this back on. And we're gonna put another layer to finish it off, but I don't think I'm gonna go totally full. Look at those cells. Oops. There we go. And we are going to flip right here. Take the tape off. I love this. I'm gonna come and bring this up to here. don't want a perfectly straight line. Let me get a couple more popsicle sticks to level that out. The back rod on this is a curtain rod, and I couldn't find my other one, so I had to improvise. And I hope I did okay. There we go. Now we're gonna come and do this one. We're gonna move this one out of the way just a smidgen. And I can clean up sides after. Get that nickel azo off the edge there. I'm really loving how this is turning out. And get my popsicle sticks underneath there again. This one, I'm going to come up and over. Again, I don't want a straight composition, so I'm stretching it out a bit. I want to bring it just over there. Add a little black right here to push those pigments and paint. Over a bit. Yes. All right, so I'm really loving this. I'm gonna transfer this all over to my drying location, and then we'll bring you guys in for a close-up. Okay, so I wanted to bring you guys in on these pieces, and you can see these are gonna be gorgeous. I wish you guys can see the spark there. So you can see the sparkle down there. And all in there. So that is that one. And then this one. Look at that SYRAH in there. It's gorgeous with the ORE. I'm gonna come over here, and there's more ORE over in this area. Down in here. And then we have this piece. This is the Pearl Copper Gold by Arteza. And then you can see the SYRAH in there. Look at that beautiful, beautiful deep purple. But I'm really looking forward to seeing how these dry. So this is a triptych that I made with fall inspired colors in collaboration with Elaine Frye. Please be sure to check out her YouTube channel and subscribe and take a look at the video that she created. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.